How to pin and unpin apps on Samsung or any other Android phone. Let's say someone tells you want to make a phone call and needs your phone. So you get the person your phone to make a phone call. But this is the problem. You're not sure the person can do more than that. Now to prevent the person from accessing any other thing, what do? First of all, you click on the recent button over here to make the app appear here, and then you click on the icon of the app. You click on pin this app. Now it says to unpin this app, you have to touch and hold the recent and back button at the same time. Good. Okay, you're thinking, but what if they just gave away the answer? So what if the person does the same thing? Don't worry about it. The person is true with it. The person wants to cancel, wants to leave the app to go to another app, to say it's not possible, and then so open it up to show the same message again. You're thinking the person is going to do that and then be able to go into other parts of your phone. But don't worry, even if the person does that like this, that's it. The person still has to go through the security measures you have.